This 2024 Winnebago Access 30BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Rockwall, Texas, 75087 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Rockwall. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 33 feet 2 inches in length and features sleeps 8, leveling jacks, smoke detector, water heater, refrigerator, spare tire kit, auxiliary battery, stove top burner, Slideout, LP detector, Skylight, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Winnebago Access 30BH is 7,146 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.